Prosecutors have laid the groundwork for Michael Cohen to testify next week in Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial.
Yeah, the former president's former lawyer claims Trump reimbursed him for the alleged hush money payment to Stormy Daniels. ABC's Morgan Norwood is in New York with the latest.
After days of intense testimony from adult film actress Stormy Daniels, prosecutors zeroing in on phone and financial records as they laid the groundwork for jurors to hear from Michael Cohen, their star witness. ABC's Eric Natursky inside the courtroom where prosecutors called several custodial witnesses.
Today, the testimony did take a marked turn after the dramatic testimony offered by Stormy Daniels. The focus returned to the records at the heart of the case. We heard phone logs, talked about tweets, text messages, and other records that prosecutors introduced to the jury through these custodial witnesses. All of them are likely to come up when Cohen testifies next week.
Cohen, Trump's former lawyer and fixer, made the $130,000 payment to Stormy Daniels that sits at the center of this case, all in order to buy her silence about an alleged affair. Her testimony this week is a critical building block for prosecutors who are trying to prove Trump and his allies engaged in an elaborate scheme to suppress damaging information to influence the 2016 presidential race. Trump has denied the affair and any wrongdoing. During testimony, Trump's former aide Madeleine Westerhout said Trump was very upset when a 2018 Wall Street Journal report revealed the hush money payment to Daniels, adding, "My understanding is that he knew it would be hurtful to his campaign. It was an important moment for the defense as they seek to elicit testimony lining up with what they described as Trump's motive to suppress negative stories in order to protect his family." The judge ending the day with a rebuke of Michael Cohen for making public comments about the trial ahead of his testimony. The defense suggesting the judge impose a limited gag order similar to former President Trump's, but he stopped short of issuing an official mandate.
What the judge did was amazing, actually. It was amazing. Everybody can say whatever they want. They can say whatever they want, but I'm not allowed to say anything about anybody.
And prosecutors say they could rest their case at the end of next week. And in another sign of how quickly this case is moving along, the judge asked both sides to submit questions for the jury charge. I'm Morgan Norwood, ABC News, New York.